Come on, come on. Hey. Hey. What are you doing, Billy? Nothing. Jeremiah's playing the game. Ha 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 ha. You're funny. Yeah. What do you mean? Am I getting closer yet? Ha 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 ha. That is real funny. You're so sweet at that shit you say to me. Oh, let's go to church today. Nah, I think I don't want to go to church today. I think I'd rather spend time with you, Shorty. Why keep looking at us? Okay, pick up the old image. After I go back to school, I'm going back to school. And from back to school, I'm going to show school. Doodle, 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 doodle. I want noodles. Hey, you got them bag of chips? Give me my bag of chips before I kick you in your face. Well, I'm sorry. Excuse me, miss. Gesundheit. God bless. What a blessing for today. Well, I didn't see that coming. What about those Raiders? Hey, Gabriel E Aphiel's game's coming out. I'm gonna buy it today. Oh, it's his back system. What the shit? Whoa, dude, vivacious bonehead Rams on here, man. What awesome graphics. Tubular! Dr. 007, 07-1, 14. Blue! Blue! Hut 1, Hut 2! Yeah. Oh man, your ash is in my face, man. I'm trying to get the snap. I might need some new shoes today, so I'm gonna call my girlfriend on the phone. She should loan me some money. Well, I'm off work. Well, I'm off to go to work right now. Well, what about layman terms? I don't talk Italian. I talk a little bit of English and French. She talks French, but I'm still getting some head today. Can I get your number? Call her on the phone, on the under. Hey girl, you look kinda nice today. How about those pantyhose liners? What the hell is this girl walking around with Daisy Dukes on Figueroa for? Nasty. Nasty. She look real sexy. She look better than my girlfriend. Can you come over here, lady? Ask you a few questions. You're under arrest. You know what you're arrested for? Looking too damn good, ma'am. So I'm gonna write you a ticket. If you don't give me your number, I'm gonna lock your ass up. I know you are, but when am I? I can't tell you the truth. You can't handle the truth. This is the 42 matricular 2 a.m. With 2 divided by the regular system of the 18th by the root of the x and the y and the z and the negative and the positive and equal your mama's breath. Thanks.